9:30 a.m. Warming up a little bit. Cattle are lounging around up there on top of the hill there. Okay, cat, what do you want? Your little boy's out there hunting. They're trying to. Look at him. Yeah, he's learning. Oh, he's just looking for a toilet. Yeah, I'll go out this afternoon and spread that liquid fertilizer in the hayfield. Hey, cowies. She looks big in the belly. Maybe she is going to have a calf. I hope so. Hope they all have calves. Well, there's only 3, but I hope that white bull got somebody bred. Hi, guy. Hi, bud. Your mom's already up here. How you doing? Uh-huh. Good for you guys. You just hang out. Catch mice, that's what you're here for. Catch mice. Okay. Well, it's a little windy today, but I guess that won't hurt nothing. Fill this up now. Well, it won't be full, but I'll put some in. Look at that cat. You're relaxing in my junk pile. Yeah, there used to be a nice swinging seat. Probably still work if I would replace all the wood. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it wasn't always placed there, but that's where it ended up after it started to fall apart and rot. But the cat can still use it. I put about 90 gallons in, between 80 and 90, I think. Better than nothing. I'll give it a test, see how it works. I won't know until next year if it does any good. I already tried it once. I saw a little improvement, but with the drought, with the dry weather in August and September, I couldn't tell. But I had a spring crop of fescue, so that was good. Warmed up to 68 degrees at 2 p.m. So that's good for riding the tractor. I'm going to start head to the hayfield now and spread the liquid fertilizer. Well, looks like the wind died down too. It was pretty breezy this morning, but now it's pretty calm, which is good for me on the tractor. Yeah, I'm ready to go. It's warm enough to ride tractor. I still got a little jacket on just in case the wind's stronger at the hayfield. And like I said, it's 68, so that's not cold, and it's not really warm either. So it's just about right. Alright, I got more than I had last year. See if this makes any difference in the yield next year. I probably won't be able to spread the whole field, but I'm going to get I'm going to at least go down the middle, all the way down the middle, north to south, all the way down and back, in the middle, in the center of the field, and I'll just work both sides. How do I say it? I'll start down the middle from the entrance. I'll show you when I get out there. Anyway, I'll start at the entrance and go all the way down to the end and just keep working back and forth from the center out. And then after I do a little bit of that, then I'm going to come back to the end of the road and go east and west across it. And do that end first. That way I can tell from the road if it makes a difference on the growth. Okay. And if I can't see any difference, I probably won't use it no more, but I'm trying it. I'll go back to using the regular fertilizer, the dry stuff. Okay, let's see. Let me head out there. I don't know how fast that pump will push it out. I'll just go slow so it applies more. If I go too fast, I hardly, and if it don't come out very fast on these nozzles, I mean, it might take a long time to use it up, so I'm going to go slower and closer together. Mama cat's still there. Yeah, still there. Taking a nap. I just saw the mailman go by. Mail carrier, could be a woman. Mail carrier go by. I'll wait till they come back, so I don't slow them down when because they're going to go to the same place. Same direction I'm going to go to the farm. So I don't want to get in their way. Yeah, wind's not so bad now. I'm at the hayfield. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down the center, real slow, and then I'm going to go around in circles. Just go around in circles. And I'm going to keep my paths close together. Even if I overlap, that's okay. And once I do enough, then I might just concentrate on each side. Work my way around one side and then the other side. First I'm going to start the middle. Okay, let me turn the pump on and see if anything comes out. I kind of bent that jug there when I pulled away from that tree. Can't look at the tree. I made it too sharp of a turn. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can turn that on, see if anything comes out. grass is growing pretty good now since we had them rains. What did I say I had? Over an inch here. Yeah, the grass is growing back now. It's still not worth cutting though. Yeah, I should be able to see my tracks, tire tracks, real good here. So I should be able to drive where I need to drive. There's this grass, turn yellow. Okay, let's yeah, it's coming out. Closer look. Yeah, the one on the end is coming out good. Yeah, the end ones are going good. Well, at least I'll get plenty on there. But the rest of it is out okay. That's switchgrass over there. This is cattle wheat. But this stuff here, Dad always called this buffalo grass, I think. And it's not switchgrass. It's not different seed maybe. Anyway, should have had okay, let's go keep going. I'm going to drive this track I came down. I'm going to try to drive it so the end ones are in the center of where my tractor tires are. That way I got a thick stream over there on that side of the tire, and on that side of the tire I got a heavy stream on the end, a small stream from the thing. So if I straddle it just right, I should be able to get it to go where I want it to go. Heavy stream, light, heavy, light, heavy. Let's do that. It's a lot harder to see my tracks on this way. It's all good. That. Hey birdie, what you doing? Are you hurt? There you go. He can fly. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, some kind of hawk. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Coming out more on the end, but that's okay. It comes out. Well, I got the center part pretty well concentrated. Other than that. So now I'm going to have a couple, 2 or 3 rounds, spreading it out so it's more evenly spaced. I'll leave it again. Made 1 round, went down and came back. Past. On that side of the center. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do that here and come back. 2 passes here. Go back down to the center and then I'll spend the rest of it in every direction. That way I can kind of tell how it's thick here and it's spread out. Headed back down the middle, but I'm going to weave back and forth. Let it down. Spread it thick in the middle here, in the center. That way I can see if it makes a difference. It'll come out real good on the ends, not so much in the middle, but it's coming out. Let's see how much got left. Oh, still got about 20 gallons there. Maybe less than 20 gallons. I think I'm on the hill. It's left. Yeah, very good going. It's not too much there. Alright, put some along here first. I'll make 2 passes right there. Follow the same track. That's my brother's sedan grass. I say so. It's sedan grass. And all these bales are his sedan grass. I actually used them this year a little bit. The strip I just put through. That's what my wrap bales were there for about 3 years. Anyway, I also cleaned it up, cut all the honeysuckle out, and sprayed it and leaked out. Looks a lot better now. Well, I've been going past through there. I don't have a whole lot left. I'll just keep it up back here. But I'm empty. If you watch that, probably it'll tell me when I'm empty. If nothing comes out, I'll do that in. There's some switchgrass I didn't put the seed one out. I want to see the spread. Same thing on that one over there. I'm going to see it. Still got seed heads on it. Well, it's empty on this side. Still a little bit left at the bottom of that. I'm going to try to I was able to make 2 rounds through here. Not 2 rounds, 1 round. One down and it coming back. Pressure on that pump. Yeah, I got the majority of it in the center. So that was my plan. Put most of it in the center. Then I overlapped a lot here. A bunch of turtle doves over there. Anyway, on both sides I made 1 round on each side, and I made them pretty wide enough to get. Probably can see it over here. Yeah, I went down and came back. Yeah, went down and came back. Yeah. Anyway, I'm headed back to the house now. I'll rinse that out, and I'll take it back to the farm tomorrow. I don't want to do it today. I gotta rinse it out first. Always leave it cleaned up for the next use. Or for the next use, it might be made. Okay, I'm headed home now. Okay, that's where I got most of it spread in the middle, thick in the middle, and a little bit less thick on each side. Let's see what it looks like next year. Okay, let's go home. Sun's still pretty high. Yeah, it's probably around 4. Should be 34. I had to pull over once again. I was in the way this day when I was doing the drive-by. I saw it. I still got time to rinse that out. I think I'll do it now. Yeah, and then I'll just take, it'll be clean by tomorrow, and then, I'll clean it tonight. And then I'll take it back to the farm tomorrow. Yeah, 4 p.m. I got time to wash it out. That kind of wore me out, all that driving. I'm rinsing it out. Coming out good there, but it seemed like the tank wasn't level. All the extra stuff was coming out was over on this side. So I raised it up, but now nothing's coming out on this side now. So I'll put some bleach in there. Let's see if I may have to take that down to let water come out on this side too. Got the hose disconnected from the nozzle arm, and I'm pumping it out into a bucket. I want to drain it all out, and then I'm going to put some more bleach in. Pump it out again. Still got about this much water in there. It's hard to see. Better on this side. I'll keep draining it. 4:30 and I'm done. I rinsed it out and drained it. I disconnected. I'll show that later. I put all the filters and spray nozzles on. Those 6 nozzles there. Put them back on. Yeah. Tank is clean. I disconnected that hose there. I disconnected that. I need to put a bag around it. I put a bag around that so it doesn't get mud daubers and stuff in it, and get dirty. Yeah, and that's the part connects to that hose. Yeah, everything's cleaned up now. It's about 4:35 right now. Yeah, and the sun's going down already. I mean, it ain't quite down. I mean, it ain't down to the horizon. They still got all those trees to go through. Yeah. Sun sets just before 5 p.m. I don't know, 4:50 something maybe. I don't know. The buzzard coming this way. Oh no, he landed in that tree. A buzzard landed. 2 of them. There's 2 of them in that tree. How about that? I can see him. Right in that blank spot there. There's a dead limb in there. And 2 buzzards are sitting right there. Oh, there they go. They just took off. I guess they heard me talking about them. There they are, flying around. They didn't rest very long, did they? Oh, I can rest now. I got the spraying. I won't call it spraying, spreading. And I took the spray nozzles out because they always clog up. The neighbor down there past the crossroads, they're doing some kind of construction. Sure, I'm making a lot of noise. Sounds like they're dragging something. It's almost like they're dragging something on rock. Maybe they're leveling rock with a bucket. Maybe that's what they're doing. Anyway, sun's getting low. I won't be able. It's going to get to those thicker trees here pretty soon. And I'm done with this thing. I'll take it back tomorrow sometime. Yeah. Before I go in, I'm going to check the cattle one more time. The cattle here anyway. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, there's a whole bunch of buzzards now. I see 4 of them. There's some behind those trees. 4. I see 4. Could be more. So far I see 4. Flying around. Anyway. Yeah, I'll check. Maybe I'll check the big pasture tomorrow. Tomorrow's, what's today? Wednesday? Thursday? Yeah, I'll probably feed them. I think I fed them last Friday. If it wasn't Friday, then it was Saturday. But I think it was a Friday when I fed them. I could be wrong. Anyway, sun's down behind those trees now. I'll check the cattle here before I go in. What are you guys doing? Oh, it's that time of day. I guess you're going to start hunting again. Yeah. You teaching him how to hunt, Mama? You better. That's what he's there for, to hunt mice. Yeah. We'll see what he does. I'll know what happens next year. They either have a calf or they don't. And if they don't, the black bull will be old enough. He'll be 2 years old next spring, so he can start giving it a try. Okay, let's go to the west side again. And so, yeah, you get ready for that cold weather, Mama. Coming this weekend, Sunday night and Monday night. Supposed to be down in the 20s, but then it's going to warm up a little bit after that for another week. Oh, look, no clouds in the sky. But look at those 2 jets. One going east and one's going northwest. Yeah, one's going to fly right over me. Yeah, I think he's still climbing. And the other one's going down. I'm sure that one's going to St. Louis. St. Louis is over that way. And then that one's probably going east to here. East to here would be somewhere east on the east coast, because they're probably could go to Atlanta, but Atlanta is more this way. This is more Washington, D.C. way. Or, oh look, it's turning. It's turning. It's turning northeast. Huh. It's going to the east coast. Look, it's losing. There must be pretty dry. It's losing this jet trail. Oh, it's coming back again. Yeah, the atmosphere must be pretty dry up there. It's going to be behind it. Yeah, there it goes. Watching the jets go somewhere. I can hear it now. I can hear it. All right, that's all. That one's still. Oh, there's one cloud. Oh, look, another jet. We got one little cloud. I don't know if that's a remnant of a jet trail. Oh, look, there's another one over that way. Yeah. Don't know where that one came from. But it's headed east. That one's probably going to Atlanta. Yeah. This must be in a lower atmosphere because it's got lots of jet trail. Heavy one. Okay, that's enough of jets. I'm not leaving on the jet plane, so I ain't gonna worry about it. But nice to watch them. At least somebody's getting a chance to go somewhere. I'm on the west side now. And look, there's that same jet that's the last jet that I saw. Going somewhere. And there's that. Oh, I've got another jet coming. There's the sun that already went down, but there's an afterglow. Sunset afterglow. And there's another jet way down at the horizon, right above the trees. Right about there. It's going south. And there's another one up there now. Probably came out of St. Louis. From the way it looks. Because it's still not very high yet. And it's going It's probably going to, I keep forgetting the name of it. Atlanta. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Everybody's got to go someplace sometime. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, look, they're aiming at each other. One over there and one over here. They're going to be crisscrossing. I'm going to watch that. I can't tell if that's another one or not. There's something down there. I got these two coming at each other. They're gonna go. This one's a little higher than that one. I thought there was another one down here, but it's not moving. It must be just an old jet trail. Yeah, those two are gonna just miss each other. One's going. The one on the right is a little higher. Yeah. There's a little cloud. That little cloud up there, way up high. There they are. They just crossed. Wonder if they were able to see each other. Wonder how far apart they were. I think that is a jet down there. Yeah, I think it is. But it's hard to tell if it's growing. I think it is. I think it's growing. Yeah, it's growing. It's going. Yeah, those two there are moving away from each other now. Yeah, that's a jet over there. Because the left side keeps going farther. Keeps growing. Well, that's enough of the sunset and jets. I need to go in. It's getting dark. Well, that's all for today. I'm gonna take that sprayer back to the farm tomorrow. And then I'll check the cattle at the big pasture. That's about all. Yeah. I need to pick some more pears one of these days before the freezing weather comes this weekend. I'll pick the rest of those pears before, otherwise they'll get frozen. All right, that's all for today. That's it. Bye. The cattle must have moved. They're not here no more. But the black bull's still there. He's under there. Oh, the cat followed me. What you doing, Mama? Yeah. Where's your baby? You left him, huh? Oh, he's up. I hear him. Where is he? I don't know. I don't see him anywhere. I hear him. Yeah, I hear him somewhere around here. And she hears him too. Where'd he go? He's around here something. I don't see him anywhere. Mama's looking. Oh, there he is. There he is. What are you doing down there? Yeah. Uh-huh. Ah. She came back. Hey, he's down there. He's down there. Mama. He's down there. See him? See him, Mama? Huh? See him? Oh, you just want to get petted. Okay, I'm done playing with you. Okay. Okay, cat. I'm done, for sure.